Today, I'm going to show you how to install MongoDB from start to finish and do some basic operations on it. So, let's get started. Just like every other piece of software, we'll start by downloading it from the official website. The MongoDB website is hard to navigate manually, so we will use Google search to find the exact page we want to go to. Just simply search for MongoDB Community Edition. We'll have the direct download link at hand. We use the Community Edition of MongoDB, which is free, yet full of features that are gonna cover all our needs. We'll start by opening the installer up and pressing on the accept buttons until it's finished. But there is a single important checkbox right here, the Install Compass checkbox. MongoDB Compass is a nice UI for interacting with MongoDB, so you don't have to work with the black command line with boring code. If you check that box, the installer will somehow be stuck at installing Compass, so the recommended way is to install MongoDB and MongoDB Compass separately. Nice done. We can move on to installing MongoDB Compass. We'll use the same process of Googling and downloading to get MongoDB Compass, but remember to choose the MSI package so it will simplify the install process for us. After pressing some more accept buttons, we are good to go. Now installing is done. I will walk you through some basic commands so you get a grasp of how a document-based database system feels like. For better understanding of MongoDB, I'll show you both CLI use and GUI use side by side for all the actions we're going to try out right now. To list all the databases, we can use show DBS command or simply look at the Compass interface. It's right there. We will see 3 foundation databases that MongoDB created by default. We can create a new one easily by typing use dbname command. Then we'll create a new collection inside the database. There are a few more checkboxes in Compass interface, but we don't have to worry about them for now. Let's enjoy this moment without making it complicated. We can now add some data to our newly created database, or in Mongo term, insert a new document. And here comes the best part of MongoDB. You can add anything you want to the collection, no matter how different they are from each other, even if they are from completely different words. You can easily see all the documents that we inserted from the interface of Compass or by using find method. However, Compass will come in handy when you need to update or delete a record. You can just click the little pencil icon and edit it right away. Instead of getting the whole object ID to update it. And deleting is also easier on Compass too. You can find more examples, commands, and advanced queries in MongoDB official website. The documentation is really detailed and well written. That's the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching until this point. See ya.